Hey, what's up, Polygon coin holder? So what's going on this time? The Polygon condition is very good now because my friend, you can see here in this time all crypto market is uncomfortable, very badly falls down, but this time you can see your Polygon condition is absolutely going very good now. 2.37 per US person. You can see here the price is increased now. You can see here 1.59 USD dollar. This is the highest price, highest price target you can see here, my friend. And this time you can see here 1.53. This is the current price. So definitely that there is not big difference in the highest price and the current price. Absolutely, my friends. I'm hope they will easily recover this now tonight. So if they will moving just and only upward. As you can see how after this pump they will dump down. So this is temporary fails. Don't worry, after this fails they will also take a jump. So therefore I will notify you, my all viewers, my holders, to kindly don't see the temporary fails. After a short term, absolutely every coin will take a very huge jump. So therefore I will notify you, my viewers, my subscribers, to don't worry if they were fails down. So this does not mean to you are starting selling 100%. This does not mean to you are starting selling. Kindly you will need to hold and wait for the end of month. I hope, my friends, today will give you a very good profit. So see you next time, Polygon holders. My opinion is for all of you to please hold down and don't starting selling. And what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.